I got a creepy account and let's go, let's find where is it? I got it and search YAL151 in search. Oh my god. He didn't come here. Let's see. Another Tomu Blacks Bella Cause 34. Let's see this. See this account. Let's give this. And what's this? And others friend view profile. He creates oh my god, AL151's place. Oh my god, I didn't know this. To join this. I know what the hell is oh my god, say this again, please say.